Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to verify your Upwork account in 2025. So for that, first of all, you need to open your web browser and just type on Upwork and click on enter. And here, as you can see, there are multiple web links, and you just have to click on the upwork.com, the official website of Upwork, and you just have to simply log in or sign up to your account from here. You can also use your mobile application like on Android or iOS, and after that you have to just have 4 to 5 things to verify your identity or verify your account. So first of all, you need a government ID. That can be your passport, your government ID, or anything, or electric bill, or anything that is government verified. And you need a location for US only jobs. So if you're a job holder, you need a location for US, or you can also provide any location uh, that works with Upwork. And you have a government ID and location like the utility bill, like electricity bill or water bill, on any or anything kind of that. And visual, you have to do a live verification with a live cam that will take a note or a simple video of your face or facial expression to verify your Upwork account, and a verified phone number. uh, and that's because if they send you a code that you can retrieve and just use as uh, the location, they will ask you to give the code. And sometimes they'll only ask for you to verify one of the above, and other times they can ask you to verify all the options. After you are notified, you have 7 days to complete the verification before your account is put on hold. So in most cases, they'll be able to verify your identity with minutes once you submit your information. So uh, so before you begin, the types of government issued ID they accept are the documents include passport, national ID, or driver license, or NBI clearance, or tax ID, or voter ID, postal ID, or any other valid government issued photo ID that meets the criteria. And they cannot accept student ID, employee ID, library card, handwritten IDs, or temporary IDs, or photocopied IDs, or military IDs, and health card. And two, they also gave them some steps to capture the image. So take the photo of the ID of the above with the ID lying on the flat dark surface. Don't cover up any part of the ID of or your face. Leave margins on all sides of the image. Don't use a flash. So to verify your identity, let you know when it's time to verify your identity. Make sure you have read that before you begin section above and select the link in your email and notification to start the process. So follow the steps listed. You will need to scan a QR code to continue the process on your phone. So that's it. That's how you can verify your Upwork account. And see you on the next video.